Hi guys, welcome back to listening to the ending sounds in words. That means the last sound that the word stops on when we say it. So we have 3 food words up here: bread, lettuce, and corn. We're going to slow those words down a little bit when we say them. We're going to stretch them out like bread. And we're going to pay a lot of attention to the last sound we make that the word stops on. That's why I like to do my little stop sign. So let's say these 3 words. Let's start with bread. Bread. Do this with me, please. Bread. One more time. Bread. Let's do lettuce. Lettuce. Again. Lettuce. One more time. Lettuce. And now we have corn. Corn. Again. Corn. One more time. Corn. Now, which of those 3 words stopped on the S sound? I'm giving you just a second to think about it. Let's say them one more time. Bread, lettuce, corn. Do you know which one stopped with S? I hope you picked lettuce. Now we have water. We're just going to say pretzel, and we're just going to say orange instead of saying pretzels, oranges. Okay, water. Here we go. Water. Do it with me again. Water. Pay attention to that last sound the word stops on. Water. Now we have pretzel. Pretzel. Again, pretzel. One more time. Pretzel. And orange. Orange. Again, orange. Once more. Orange. Which word stopped on J? Are you thinking about it? Let's say them one more time. Water, pretzel, orange. Do you know which one stops with J? I hope you picked the orange. Our next words are going to be yogurt, pancake, and strawberry. So let's pull out yogurt. Yogurt. Again, yogurt. Once more, yogurt. Now let's find out how pancake stops. Pancake. Again, pancake. Once more, pancake. And strawberry. Strawberry. Again, strawberry. One more time. Strawberry. Let's pick the word that stops with T. Okay, let's say all 3 words again. Yogurt, pancake, strawberry. This one is kind of tough. I know it's not strawberry because that one stops with E, but these 2 sound very similar at the end. Let's do them one more time. Remember, we're listening for the T sound. So here we go. Yogurt, pancake. This one ends with T, and this one ends with K. Look at my mouth. It's a little bit different. T, K. The sound we were looking for is T. So it's yogurt. We have 3 more. Bean, egg, cracker. Here we go. Let's pull them out. Bean. Again, bean. One more time. Bean. Egg. Ready? Egg. Again. Egg. pull that sound out one more time. Egg. And our last one is cracker. Cracker. Once more. Cracker. Once again. Cracker. Let's do the word that ends on the G sound. Took me a minute to think of it. Let's do G. Okay, let's say them once again. Bean. Egg. Cracker. Which one stops with G? I hope you picked the egg. And I hope you had a good time. See you later. Bye.